Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Carousel UI for performance using Swiper beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by installing Swiper in your project. Use npm or yarn to add Swiper to your dependencies. If you prefer, you can also include the Swiper CDN link in your HTML file. Next, import the Swiper styles in your CSS or main JavaScript file. Creating an HTML structure is essential for the carousel to function correctly. Begin by defining a container element for Swiper. Inside this container, create a wrapper for the slides. Each slide needs to be contained in a separate div. Now, initialize the Swiper in your JavaScript file. Select the container element using a DOM query method. Use the Swiper constructor to create a new instance. You can add configuration parameters to customize performance. To enhance performance, enable the loop option to create infinite scrolling. Set the speed parameter to determine how quickly the slides transition. Adjust the number of slides displayed using the slides per view property. Consider using lazy loading for images to optimize loading time. This is particularly useful if your slides contain many images. You can also implement the autoplay feature to enhance user experience. Set the delay parameter for the autoplay effect to control timing. Always remember to add a pagination element if desired. This provides users with a visual indicator of their position in the carousel. You might also want to customize navigation buttons for improved usability. Use Swiper's built-in classes for navigation styling. To ensure smooth performance, limit the number of slides in the viewport. Frequent updates, such as resizing, can lead to performance issues. Use the resize observer to optimize how your carousel responds to window resizing. Finally, test the carousel across different devices and browsers. This will help ensure that it operates smoothly for all users. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.